Okay, this is Lower Düden Waterfalls. A few videos earlier we went to Upper Düden Waterfalls, and I promised I'd bring you to the lower end of Duden Waterfalls. This part of the waterfalls actually runs off the cliffs and straight into the Mediterranean Sea. It's a great spectacle. It's central, it's right in the heart of the city, not too hard to get to, and they've turned it into a little bit of a park. As you can see, it's a bit of a park. There's the Mediterranean. The waterfalls is actually also a park you can come to on the weekend, sit around with your lovely girlfriend, boyfriend, both, if you have both. And it's sensational. Get out of the heat, under the shade. As you can see, lots of families around. Okay, I promised you guys Duden Waterfalls. Behind me is the Mediterranean, and right over there behind my shoulder is the waterfalls going into the Mediterranean. Say something.
Idź tam do niego. Nie.
Hot water.
You can do zip line here, you can do rafting, whitewater rafting. As you can see, this is where the water comes down and it goes straight off here under this bridge I'm standing on and into the Mediterranean. Guys, just want to thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed Duden Waterfalls, Lower Düden Waterfalls. It was my first time coming, just like probably most of you. So Fuzzbuzz doing what he does best, buzzing, and you were buzzing with the fuzz. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, smash the bell. Cheers.